Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing the mesh into Studio and immediately align it to a standard Roblox rig. You place the mesh over the skeleton and match the hips and root within 1 to 2 studs so proportions are consistent. Once done, create attachments at each joint that will drive motion. Name them to match Roblox bone names. Make sure anchor is off and scale is roughly correct. If it's too large, set scale to 0. 5 or 1. 0, then recheck alignment. Now you bind the mesh to the rig and focus on weight distribution so animations deform naturally. Use a skinning plugin or the Studio tool to attach vertices to your attachments, then create motor 6D joints between parts and attachments. Adjust C0 and C1 to center rotations. Once bound, paint weights iteratively. Start with torso and hips for stable motion, then refine arms and fingers. Test by rotating joints through common ranges, from 30 to 90 degrees, and rebalance any visible stretching. You finish by testing the rig in play mode with real animations to confirm root motion and clipping are fixed. Make performance tweaks, remove unused vertices, combine parts where sensible, and compress textures so runtime costs drop. Once confident, export or save the rig for animations. If something goes wrong, check attachment naming first, then reset motor 6D C0/C1 values and repaint any problematic weight regions. These steps usually resolve snapping, stretching, and misaligned rotations, so retest after each fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.